Now to trending, and we're learning that sharks apparently have their own sort of natural GPS when it comes to navigating long journeys across the ocean. A group of scientists discovered sharks use the Earth's magnetic field as an aid to take them great distances. Earlier, I spoke with one of the researchers who explained their marine experiments that confirmed this long-held speculation about sharks' behavior. Dr. Keller, tell us exactly how this research was conducted and specifically the big implications that are coming out of it today.
So we used a method called magnetic displacement, and it's basically a laboratory trial where we exposed sharks to magnetic conditions that represent far locations on the Earth. And what we found is when we exposed the sharks to conditions far south of their home area, their summer residence, they oriented north back towards that target location. So what this tells us is they're using the magnetic cues available to them in their environment to orient back towards their target location. And what this means for the broader picture of sharks and movement ecology is that we now have a better understanding of how sharks navigate throughout migrations. Sharks are capable of migrating 20,000 kilometers in a year, and this research provides clarity.
So we know great white sharks in particular. You're mentioning, 10,000 plus miles going from Australia to South Africa. And in your research, you use bonnethead sharks. Does this research, or what they use to using the Earth's magnetic field, does this apply to all species of sharks?
So there's over 500 species of sharks out there, and obviously we only tested one, but we do expect that our research would be applicable to other species. The ability of sharks, rays, and skates to detect the magnetic field has been documented across numerous species, and we think it's unlikely that bonnetheads evolved this ability independently. Furthermore, it's one of the few theories that makes sense of how these animals are able to successfully navigate back to extremely precise target locations without any cues that are constant and ubiquitous in their environment.
Outside of sharks, we know sea turtles, lobsters, even some birds use this magnetic field. Why did it take so long for the research to find and conclude that sharks use the same kind of sense? And I guess the second question is, why are sharks so hard to study?
Sharks are definitely a tough nut to crack. So like you said, this ability to navigate using the Earth's magnetic field has been shown in numerous taxa across marine species. Since the 1970s, really, it's been theorized for sharks. And to get at your question, why is it so difficult to study? We created a magnetic cube that was about the size of a bedroom that was wrapped in copper wire, over a mile of copper wire, and the sharks were put in a tank inside that cube. So testing this on large sharks isn't really practical, just because the sheer size of apparatus you need to create the magnetic fields to conduct these behavioral experiments.
And this research, what does it tell us about the genetic patterns in sharks?
It's really interesting. We studied the maternal DNA and the DNA inherited from both parents, and we found that the magnetic field accounts for a significant amount of variation in the maternal DNA, which suggests that mothers on an evolutionary timescale may have selected habitats based upon the magnetic signatures.
That's really interesting. So what's the next step in your research? Is there something else that we're going to go to from where you are right now?
Absolutely. So one of our big questions are, do sharks also use this ability to navigate on a fine scale basis? So we know from this research, it's likely that sharks use magnetic based navigation for long distance voyages, but perhaps do they also use it for fine scale movements? For sharks, it's clear from other research from Jane Gardner and Andy Nozel that they use olfaction when they're in really fine scale environments, but we're interested if they perhaps use magnetic based navigation too.
Okay, Dr. Brian Keller from Florida State University, thank you for taking some time with us this evening.
Thanks so much.